After I finish like that, I'll go in with this apricot. See? See? Apricot scrub. Guys, if you start to see such kind of tubercles, they are dead skins. So after that, I'll stay like, let's say, 1 minute. I'll go in the bathroom, I wash my face and up to here, then I'll come back and show you what next. Guys, I am back. I am back. You see how my face looks like. That's Jatumia Nini. So, on to our next what? On to our next procedure. So, it shamaniza. The next one, it is this one, the black mask. Guys, this thing.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in.
It is very painful. So I'm using the guys. Remember, this video is not sponsored. So I'm using the Dr. Rachel. I don't know whether you can see this name. See? Yes. So guys, if you can look at me, already ishaanza kujitoa, you see, kwa sababu already isha dry off. Now it's time to remove. Hi guys, it's so painful. So guys, I am back. See? But the pain in it, oh my goodness. Please. So on to our next procedure. I'll show you on after masking my face. I normally steam myself. And what do I steam myself with? I normally use this kakitu, sijui kama mnakajua, kinaitwa kastima. This one, it was on charging. Oh gosh, so I'll put hot water. Let's say it's not hot, warm. This warm water, I'll put inside this kakitu like that. Then I will close it like that. Then from there, you see this kabaton here, this one. Then you turn it like this. Guys, I don't know whether you can see. We are doing the steaming part so that the The pores zitajifunika vizuri kwa sababu already tushafunua with the mask, with our black mask. Guys, do you see? See? So from there, see? Already just one. So the pores shafunikwa. So I'll go in with my kawaii like that. From there, guys, what are you supposed to use next? For me, I'm sure you know what I normally use on my face, and it is a simple routine, guys. As you can see, my face na sija filter, see? So I'll go in with my vitamin C face serum. Guys, for those asking where I bought this vitamin C face serum, I bought it from Jumia. I think they were on offer, even the black mask. Massage it with your face. By the way, for those asking whether you can use vitamin C as sunscreen, you can also use it, but I'll show you what I normally use when I'm going outside. My simple skincare routine. Ladies, don't wait for your men to buy for you these such things. No, they don't want you to be smart so that you don't be isichukuliwe na msee mwingine. So pamper yourself. I'm only using, is it 3 products? And this is how my face looks like. See? Huh? No filters, guys. No filter. Like that. Then you can tap it like this. Okay, look good. Guys, from there, if I was going outside, but today, don't think that I will travel else anywhere. So you can also use this one. No, no. You see? It is called Shea Nilokita Low Shea Butter. This is from Bella Vista. If you want it, you can go to the Instagram page. But remember, this video it is not sponsored, guys. I'm just doing it for so. I'll only put 2 drops. One. Hey, I think this is not this around. So see, now I'll massage my face with you. By the way, guys, I've forgotten to show you. I also have the Lysol. I wash it wakati nili scrub nilipaswa kuoga nayo, but I forgot. Huwa naoga nayo asubuhi na jioni, twice a day. But I'll show you. Let me go niwaletee muone. Inaitwa Lysol. Guys, acha kwanza nimalizie hivi ndio nione. You see my face. See my face. Oh, I look good. So, jioni, I will use this small thing. Do you see this small thing here? This is what we call Lysol. Kalikuwa kakubwa. For this one, kanatoka dhao. and this one inatoka 2300. So if you want your face to pop like mine, you have to invest in yourself, guys. Yes. So from skincare, that is my skincare routine, guys. Guys, if you find this video most helpful to you, kindly give this video a like, subscribe if not yet subscribed, and share with your friend. Watch till the end to see my morning routine. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in our today's video. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. Guys, if you want to watch the full video on how to make your hot dogs, the link is in the description box. Go there, click watch, and remember to like.